During the next few minutes, we will demonstrate how to replace the battery of your Nintendo Switch Lite. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. Please turn off the device. Make sure that the battery is charged below 20%. First, remove 4 3-point screws from the back. Please sort all the screws so that you don't get confused during the installation. Now remove 2 Phillips screws from underneath. And then 2 more on the top side. With a flat pick, carefully move along the side edges. The speaker area is the best place to start. Be careful not to go in too deep. Then remove 4 Phillips screws. Finally, you can remove the shielding plate. Now release 1 flex connection. To do this, fold down the latch. Immediately disconnect the battery connection. With a hairdryer, which can be heated to 60 degrees, carefully heat the battery so that the adhesive loosens. Now you can pry out the battery. Before you apply the new adhesive strips, clean the contact surface. To attach the battery, either use the appropriate adhesive film or some double-sided adhesive tape. Now insert and connect the battery. Attach the flex connection. Now, put the shielding plate in its place. The 4 screws are screwed in. Finally, insert and screw in all external screws. That's a wrap. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel. You can find spare parts and repairmen at kaputt.de.